Welcome to Sweet Start Learning. Hi kids! Today we are going to learn some kitchen item names. So are you excited? Let's start learning. Spoon, spoon. Fork, fork. Plate, plate. Bottle, bottle. Frying pan, frying pan. Pot, pot. Glass, glass. Cup, cup. Kettle, kettle. Bowl, bowl. Cutting board, cutting board. Knife, knife. Tray, tray. Whisk, whisk. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Spatula, spatula. Subscribe for more fun learning videos.